All right, we're at one of our regular spots. It's right here by this junkyard. You guys have seen it many a time. But after all this rain, there's a lot of debris down here. Mom's going with us today. It's blowing pretty good, isn't it? All that rain that we got the last few days. Yeah, look at all this debris. Let me look at the exit real quick. Oh. Somebody must have thrown those off the bridge. They're both flowing. Alrighty. Wow, that's knocking a lot of it loose. Mud. Be careful down there, Jen. It's flowing kind of fast. You want me to do it? Because it might be kind of deep. Let me grab it. Okay, I got it. It's flowing good today. This is so steep right here. I don't know if you can tell the angle or not. Okay. Ooh. Look what Granny's doing over there. Here, hold this. Oh, go ahead. You can toss these off. right, we're done with this one. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot about this part. This has a little, used to be a road right over there. So there's still the culvert there that flows through. That's where that tree fell on it too. Alrighty. All right, so we're at this creek. Jennifer's sitting with the exit camera. This is a creek that used to have the sign on the tree. And so this is what it looks like. It's horrendous. It's got these massive trees, which we won't be able to move those. We're hoping we can get everything to go underneath them. So we're gonna get the exit. We're gonna get the camera set up real quick.
Are we ready to go? I can go? Okay. Huh? Yeah, it's downhill walk. It ain't gonna be us. camera underwater or no? Good? Okay. I'm going to go to the other end real quick and get this third one going. Because I know it's clogged. Okay, what are you doing? I'm going to go to over there and get the front of this one unplugged. And then I'll come back and help you lift the big ones out. The one that's not going to go down. No, that's not, and this one is too big. Hold on. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh no! There is something in front of my culvert, by the way. Yeah, that ain't budging. Holy Hannah. No, it's not blocking the culvert. So that's good. So the county will take care of that one. That one, maybe we can kind of pull it to the side over there? Yeah, probably. And then this one, let's see. Okay. Just kind of pull this. If we pull this, the problem is it might knock that one down. There's that concrete back there. Hold on.
I don't want to go through that one because
I know. I'm just getting lined up with the middle one. Can I come back? Yep. Okay, then you go back. Okay. Alright. Simmer down. Oh my gosh, that's gonna get caught on the end for sure.
oh yeah, that's going all the way through. Go on out. Yeah. I'll have to go help that one.
There we go. There's that thing that's stuck in. You done?
What we had to work with.
Okay, I'm gonna go off the other end. This one's not in the water. This one's not in the water.
No, it's not. This one, it's not blocking anything.
Alright. Whew.
Oh, come on. You're coming along for the ride, whether you like it or not. Okay. You see through that one. Obviously, that one's got the tree on it, and that one on it is clear, I promise.
I think it just got washed through at one point, Granny. Alright. Guys, we're clear. I'm going to give you one more shot of the entrance over here. You can turn that off, Mom, if you want to. Alright, this one's clear once again. This is like the millionth time we've done this one. It just always gets clogged every time we have a hard rain. Okay, we'll have to let the county handle those. Cutting out. At first. Okay. Try not to get run over on this incredibly busy road. Okay, we've got a trickle coming out on this end. Come through. Mom says it's clogged though. Let me get down here. Oh yeah.
It's not blocking anything. We're going to have to probably drag this one back a little bit.
Whoa.
Yeah, this is in my way.
Here, let me help. Oh wow, this is huge actually.
I know. Can you get up there and pull just a little bit? If not, I could get my little thing and cut it right here, Jen. So you want to just cut this? Oh, it broke. Go, my girl. Okay, this one's not blocking anything here. Okay.
Going heavier.
Not really easy. We've never done this one before.
No.
Just nothing to inside. Just some leaves.
It is flowing heavier though.
All right, so here's the exit. Yeah, it is flowing better through there. You can see it moving. Alrighty. All right, we're at this culvert here. Let me show you what it looks like. It's actually starting to sprinkle again. You may recognize this if you're one of our regulars because we've been here numerous times. This flows through the pastures and comes down here. We've got two culverts which both have something in front of it. And then on the other side, it's flowing good though. So the blockage probably isn't very bad. All right, Jen's gonna get down and do this one for us. Which one are you gonna do first, Jen?
I'll do the bottom one first. Here.
Okay.
Almost up the road. Doesn't look too bad actually.
Almost looks
Gosh,
like
this is such a horrible way to get down here.
yes, it
I'm gonna
is.
have to go down that
Hold
way.
my hand.
Okay.
Okay. Now you.
I'm unclogging it here without meaning to.
Oh, here we go. We better zoom in on it.
Hold on. Let me just see if I can.
Hold on.
I can unplug from here.
You want me to do that one, or you do this one?
That's the one right there.
Okay, that's
I
it.
think I got it.
Okay. Now. Okay, hold. Okay, just a minute. Let me. This is not working. Hold on.
I know.
Just
I know
hold
what
my
you're
hand.
saying.
I'm gonna get over there.
Whoa! That's a set of splits there, buddy.
Mom's got long legs, so I can do that. Okay.
All right, we're caught in the barbed wire here.
Yeah, it is.
Oh no. Okay. Good. Oh. Okay, I got it over there. Thank you, Dom.
Well, I almost got it. Oh, okay, you got it.
Got it.
Okay. Okay. All right, they're both cleared.
There's a ram in the car coming.
Okay, I'm gonna have to have a hand up here. Okay. Alrighty. We are done with that one. There wasn't hardly any blockage in front of it, but we got it anyway. Look, the roots on that tree right there. Been washed out before. All right, we're gonna move on to the next one.
All right, guys. Huge area of wetlands up in here, right along the road. Why on earth they've got one little culvert here supposed to take on all this? I don't know. Maybe they've just given up. But here's the exit. It's got a pool right at the exit and rock kind of built up.
Fence over there.
Yeah. So, okay.
That's why it's not draining, because it's so raised up on that.
Yeah, I do too.
I can't remember, to be honest with you.
Is it clogged? It's clogged, isn't it? Not as bad as I would have thought. The caution tape's a head scratcher.
They probably did this to keep people from driving across that creek down here.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's definitely flowing better.
Flowing. Let me go to the exit.
You got it? Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm gonna go see if I can knock this down and see what happens here.
Yeah, it's flowing. Flowing a little faster. That's a lot of rock, Mom.
Yeah, it is. It's flowing through the side here, though. I feel like I'm doing the wrong thing here. I need to pull it this direction.
Is it not just going around it? digging through there.
Okay.
Going off into the woods there.
Okay. All right. There might be another culvert along here, Mom. Along this wetland, so we'll check and see.
There's a big kind of bridge down here too.
Yeah, there is a bridge, and it's
This is
wackadoodle,
big.
actually.
Water's built up back there.
Yep, look at all that. There's a reason there's no houses from here to the main road. Okay.
All right. Up here, got some beautiful cabins up in this area. So, looks like there's a little bit blocked up there. And then we also got a little blockage at the beginning here. Oh yeah, that one's damaged. See how damaged that one is? It's completely blocked, looks like. Pretty little stream though, isn't it? There's a little waterfall down there.
I think there's something stuck on this end, Mom.
All right, Jen's ready. This one's completely blocked on the left, but it's damaged too, so I don't know what we can do there. Oh, yeah, that one's damaged too, but at least it's open. Whew,
I think they actually
I'd hate to fall on that, wouldn't you?
one of these. What in the Sam Hill? This one is just like,
Oh! Starting to flow a little bit.
there's something stuck.
Oh, up under that lip, probably.
It's a few.
There we go. That might be
Well,
it.
there's more than that stuff in there. I mean, I feel stuff all the way back in here. It's just.
Bringing up these big rocks. That would block it, wouldn't it? Don't cut yourself on that metal.
Yeah, Mom, there's rock as far back as I can see.
Okay. Yeah, can't do nothing about that, can we?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think this one's
So
on the end.
So this will be it, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's too bad.
Good.
They've recently repaved this. That's good. Yep, this one's got a stick in it. It's just like, oh wow. Hold on, Jen. So this is the one that's blocked. And y'all see up in there?
Rock?
Actually, it's dark as far as I can see, but there's a couple of big rocks on this end, but yeah.
I did not send that stick down.
I know you didn't.
I'm just telling them.
Yep. Too bad that piece of concrete's going to catch sticks now. Look at it. We can't move that. It's too big.
That's it, I guess. Yeah, it's coming.
Downstream. Alright, we're going to move on to the next one. Alright.
Can you do anything here?
Well, I'm going to try to get that bucket and I'm going to try to see what I can do here with this debris. I feel like there's something big right here. I got water in the glove.
If you can tip it on its side.
Come on, baby.
Good job, Mama.
Well,
gravel's moving under my feet a little bit.
It looks like a big log. It's what it looks like from this angle.
So. See what that is under here. That'll go right through.
Remember that one the culvert you're standing in front of is the one with the gap in it that stuff gets caught on.
And this one here, use my hands. Wish I could. If I get some of the pressure off this, I might be able to raise it up a little bit.
Yeah. I wonder if you could well, no, that'd be even harder.
Well.
Huh?
Oh yeah. It's got so much weight pushing against it with all this debris here. I'll go down a little bit and clean it up and have to let it go. You clean out over here. This is where the main culvert is. As long as I don't pull that bucket over here.
Yep.
Yeah, it's already flowing better.
Look at the exit real quick.
Well, Jen? I don't
think
know.
That's it?
Well, I wish I could raise this up, but there's so much
The
pressure
old
on it.
tree right there.
And I can't do, I don't want to do all of this.
No, you just, yeah.
We got enough where
You do what you think you can
it's going to flow over it pretty good for now.
do. If you use the handle end of that and just poke down in there.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. I missed that when I walked over to yesterday.
Yeah, it's flowing much better though.
It is flowing better, yes.
I got a good section cleared out here in front of it. Okay, let go of my...
Yeah.
I'll just keep the big stuff from blocking it. It'll be good. Here's another big one here. Do you think I should do more that way?
I think you should do whatever you think you... it's up to you, Mom. You're the one in waders down there. You do whatever you feel like you want to do.
I'll do a little bit more on this side. I wonder how long it'll take it to clog up again, though.
Not long. Well, I mean, honestly, the bigger stuff that could come down has probably already made its way here.
That's true.
So at this point, it'll just be leaves and stuff on the surface. How much more rain are we supposed to get?
I don't know. Probably not very much. The end of the, I think the end of the metal is like right about here. So
Okay.
when I try to pull from here, I'm just grabbing the metal. So that's a problem. I just want to get these leaves out of the way.
I think that'll be pretty good, Mom.
A little bit more, Jen. Now that I've started, I kind of want to. Okay. Yeah, it's sprinkled pretty good now, isn't it? Okay. Alright, I don't think. I mean, I
See
could
how
spend
that?
all day doing
You
all
see
this.
how that did that?
Huh?
You see how that bunch just came up?
Oh.
Blocked you in again? It don't take much, these little holes.
Yeah, it's coming from all over back in there.
Yep. Yeah, I'd say you got it pretty good, Mama. Enough to let the water flow through anyway. Even below the surface.
Yeah.
Okay.
Too bad that big one won't come.
I know. I don't think you could lift it out of
here,
there.
though. Here's a big one. I certainly don't want that coming around blocking it. Oh, goodness. Oh, come on. Come on now, don't argue with me.
You ready?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. We're going to cut out of here, guys.